Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Uba John Anthony Lyngdoh mentakasngi ka khatndriu terek ujemmang ulawan chakmat ban penshai Halor ka Jingshah Kynnoh ka jong u lingba ka jing ujor ijahar ka jong uba Tony marbanyang ubala Kynnoh ula thau da kibut ban ai da ka pisayo Tony khnang ba un randien no da ka bai khun ya ka election arja khat pra haba kran chikilat patai khubor haka khatndriu terek mentau bunai uba je Lyngdoh ha office rekam ka BJP ula penshai da ka ba ong baka jingai jingmot kadon na kaliang kiwei de kamdon AA na kaliang jo u uba je Lyngdoh loong ba umnan jingtip chipang Tony marbanyang lai tang hakikot khubor ne na kaliang jong u hi uong ba umla ban khang yano ki bakwa panile election ba je Lyngdoh loong bakala bandon kanu jing persang ban pentron nya ka parti de kiwei ki parti ru uba je Lyngdoh haringkat ka jingidon lang uba wan lambok oh thank you President ke 17 North Shong BJP mandal kila pentep paka legal cell jong ka state party kansale ya ka badan kam Halor kani ka Jingshah ujor namar kani kakta ya ka party hi bro kawai namar kumu vice president ka state party ulasha ujor.
So each and every person who has attended that very important meeting at Auckland on 14th evening, no one has come out that yes, Bajie Lyngdoh has said has come out in the press statement. No one has said that, right? So even the person who is the convener of that meeting also, he knows that I've never said that word to offer him a person, any aspirant candidate wanted to contest election from the North Law, that since I'm also the aspirant candidate, officially they have not announced my name that I'm the official candidate. But till today, let me clarify this. Till today, as of now, I am the only person who is on the fray to ask for a party ticket. Till today. So official declaration will come at a later stage by the party according to the guidelines of the party. But that day I was invited because I'm also the vice president of the party. Since I'm part and parcel of the party organization as vice president and also as a local resident of the North Shillong, so naturally they invited me. And on that day, some people asked me about that Badil. Is it a fact that the ticket will not be given to you? I said, who said that? No, because this morning, one person has come in the name of BJP to organize party that he also wanted to contest from BJP ticket. That was the statement given by the people on that day. Then I have to clarify on this. My clarification is very simple. As of today, I don't know who is this person, number one. Number two, we have seen only in the, WhatsApp that he has, no, not WhatsApp, that notice. The notice that he has said to the local residents of Auckland that he wanted to convene a meeting on 14 morning, 11 o'clock, to seek the support of the local people from there because he wanted to contest this coming election from BJP ticket. So that's why they have asked me, what about you? Are you coming from this place or from Mongap? I said, no more from that place since I've already I've decided to come from here. We have got our legal cell, right? So it is the duty of the legal cell now, since I'm the vice president of the party, it's the duty of the legal cell now, along with the president of the Mandal, to go to main Thana, Sada police station, to ask for the complaint, the FIR that he has filed. Based on those statements given by him, that he has got all records with them, then after getting that one, then the party will sit and screen whatever statements are being made on that as claimed by him. Then the party will come out with a suggestion.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.